State leaders are also reacting to that Department of Justice report. NBC5's Phil Prazen is in the newsroom with that part of the story. Phil?
Tonight, Director of Public Safety here in Texas, Steve McCraw, tells us the report underscores the failure of law enforcement that day.
New Thursday night, Governor Abbott thanked the Department of Justice for the report, said they had already took steps to make changes and continue to review other options to make schools safer. A handful of officers resigned after dozens of them waited in the hallway, afraid of a teenager with an AR-15. 19 students and 2 teachers died that day, more than 20 months ago. The local prosecutor continues to investigate whether any other crimes occurred. One big takeaway for El Paso State Representative Joe Moody is communication with families and the community needed improvement.
There was an initial narrative of heroic actions taking place and people neutralizing things quickly, and that just couldn't be further from the truth.
He tells me the original story law enforcement told ended up not being accurate. He and State Senator Roland Gutierrez, representing Uvalde, are glad the DOJ report pinpoints communication with the public as a key failure. Leaders were not accurately briefed in a timely way.
You'd think that this feeble governor, after 24 hours of noticing what happened here, someone would have briefed him on the fact that his cops took 77 minutes to go in there, but that didn't happen.
Some reforms at the state level are on the table after the shooting, like raising the purchasing age of an assault rifle to 21 years old and allowing the victims' families to go around governmental immunity and file suit against the departments, which failed. But the reality is those two things will be very difficult to pass the state legislature. These two Democratic lawmakers likely don't have the votes at the moment.
And as you've heard, many of the families still wait for accountability, the firing of individual officers involved. Now, that becomes more unlikely with each passing day. The local district attorney investigation is still ongoing. Phil Prazen, NBC5.
Thank you, Phil. The Uvalde report included 273 recommendations to help prevent a similar tragedy from happening again. You can read the report for yourself on NBCDFW.com.